This is the OGERY camp light. Here's the instructions, read them. There's also a charging cord, and you can also charge phones from that port. Here's the head unit. Screw the base into the head unit. Extend the legs. Place it on the ground and then extend the tripod shaft. Turn the light on to the settings that you like. There's lots of different settings. Also, these fold out and you can swivel them downward for downward lighting. Extend it all the way up. It really is an amazing, high powerful light. Also, you can hang it from a tree if you'd like. There's a hook, or you can use the magnetic base.